you do know that I'm here to help you try to save money, right? Especially on things that are kind of like basic necessities, right? And you do know that I don't try to gatekeep ever, right? So today I'm going to tell you guys a little hack that you may or may not know. I'm here to tell you guys about purchasing a car. And I have done a lot of car purchasing in my lifetime, especially because I sell real estate and I drive everywhere I go through cars like crazy. So I have learned on my own, this was not taught to me, how to properly purchase a car, especially if you have decent credit. So typically what purchasing a car looks like is you walk into the dealership, I want to buy this car. The dealership says, okay, you want to buy it. Here's what you're approved for. Here's your rate. And how much money do you want to put down? Boom, there you go. You're already spending money out the door. But what I've learned is that if you go through a credit union and you get pre-approved with the credit union, you can completely remove the car dealership. Now, some dealerships do have good deals because I have excellent credit, wanted to offer me a 5% interest rate and no money down, which is cool. Some people will try to get you with some money down, and 5% doesn't seem that bad, but I knew that if I took that same purchase and I went to BCU, which is the credit union that I use, that they would really save me a lot of money. Now, Toyota, 0 money down, 5% interest rate, and that was their promotional rate. And I have good credit, very good credit. And they were very adamant. I needed to get out the door. BCU wasn't open, so I just bought the car, no money down, and I left, and I knew that I would refinance it with BCU immediately. Now, Toyota said you can't refinance for a month, which I knew was BS. And that's because they wanted to make some kind of money on the interest, but I'm not gonna give you more than I need to give you. So what I did is I called my girl Lena at BCU, who I have an amazing relationship with, who had already pre-approved me, who already knew that I was good for this dollar amount a month for this vehicle. And I said, Lena, here's the deal. Here's what they gave me. Can you beat it? And she locked me in like a 3 something interest rate. Still 0 money down. I'm saving so much money by just refinancing immediately before I even make the first payment on my car by switching over to BCU. And another one of my favorite things that they do is they offer me no payments for 3 months. Meanwhile, Toyota wanted me to pay in exactly a month. So if you have decent credit, or maybe you don't have good credit and you need to have good credit, you need to go to BCU. There's so many hacks out there. So remember, just like you shop for a house and you get pre-approved, you could do the same thing with your credit union, and hopefully you go to BCU and go there and get pre-approved and then go car shopping. And if you can't get a hold of BCU because it's the weekend and they are a bank or whatever, you can still call your finance person and they'll say, buy the car, send me the purchase order, and they'll refi you. I think I even got like $100 back for it. Credit unions are there to help you. Dealerships, maybe not so much.